Let's go, boys! Crypto is too boring to trade alone, so let's trade it together. It's probably a lower time frame. We're looking for it to go down. Oh damn, a lot happened, man. Looking for new highs today on it. So let's focus on this pair. New highs on ton. Not. Yeah, Not's already getting into that failure to failure state. I need to check 4 hour here. Yeah, I need a little bit more progression on that. Let's focus on ton for now. Okay. Got myself a ton long. PT in, bro. Can visualize it if you guys really want to, but so long right here. PT 7303. And now I'm expecting it to start expanding. I don't think they'll reject it. But they need to get above this. So if they can get above this, it's gonna be good. On a Q, what position size do you use? So before 4 p.m. I just used 2 contracts, but yeah, 2 times 10 is 20 contracts. And then once after 4 p.m. it's like 30 to 40 contracts. That's right. If you stack them all up, right? Okay, there we go. Another PT and GG. GG. Yeah, this was quite an easy trade. Quote unquote knowledge of them going up. Next PT, I need to go a little bit higher though. I want them to get above it. Let's move this line there. They're currently at resistance on this one, but we'll see. Very important that they achieve it. I know I'm drawing a lot of lines, but I'm just changing the sequence up right now. No risk in this anyway. PT got taken, so I actually don't have to look at it. As I said, on ton, I'm looking for 7.6. So still a long way to go. How much would that be? Let's go! Okay, happy with what we're doing now. Looking good. Keep on propping it up. Okay, so now they're in the resistance zone. Big PT is at this high end normally. So I took two times 20% off. So now I still have 60% in the trade. Might re-enter a few times on this one because, well, expecting quite high on this. So we'll see. Okay, so I should actually probably look for something else. Let's have a quick glance at NOT. So for NOT, let me see. Yeah, still looking for this. Loads of confirmations for this low, so let's see if they come there. Hey, other than yesterday, boys, we already got a trade going, so let's go. Just shouldn't have traded Bitcoin yesterday. Like, I give up on this coin. I just need to swing trade it. I backtest a little bit for crypto yesterday. Like, okay, what do you want to do exactly? And now I know what I want to do exactly. Let's go. I haven't traded in a while, or at least not actively, so. So Betty failing again, so looking for new lows. I do not know if it will happen, but I'm looking for ton to go all the way to 7.66. So let's see. Now, it could be if they don't start expanding soon that we might actually come here as well, but we'll see. We can just re-enter the trade. There's no more risk into this further. I already moved my stop loss there. Trading is going very good lately. Very confident in my trading. A lot more patient. That's what I want to do. And now I just need to focus a little bit more on crypto for personal reasons. So as I said, big PTs right here. Let's see if they can come back down to the midpoint of it, hold a high range, but can also come back down lower to there. Bitcoin is still looking good though. See if they can hold it for 10 more minutes. If they can hold this for 10 more minutes, this low, going up. Even if they lose 4 hour. Ooh, okay. Let's look at NOT for a little bit. I'm mainly looking for them to go here. Let me quickly check the higher time frame environments again. Okay, don't really like this though. I'm gonna wait a bit. I'm still not used to all the crypto activity too much. On Jur 40, possible smash for me here. If this was Jur 40. But that's just, yeah, experience on Jur 40, so. Now I'm gonna wait a bit. Might miss out on the trade, but there will be one more trade after this in my playbook, so. Better to wait. Like, ton was very clean. Plus the higher time frame environment is just saying up, up, up. So I needed to be aggressive on this, so let's go. Okay, ton's seeing some sells, which is good. Can rebuy lower if they do so. Finally trading some alts. A lot better than Bitcoin, man. So got a ton long right now. I didn't really want to take the real long yet. But so if they keep on playing this sequence, ton is just gonna moon it up all the way to well, of course we're not immediately gonna go to 7.6, right? So the next step will be right here. Now you have one more PT area for the people playing it on a little bit of a higher time frame at 7.35, but we'll see. They're holding trend, so vibes, yeah, man. Yeah, let's focus on NOT for a bit. Oh shit, the volatility on NOT is great. Ooh. Okay, so hourly is closing up. Let me quickly check hourly here. Don't have the conviction I have in NOT and I have in TON right now, so I want them to prove me a little bit more. Let's see if we get the dump or the pump. Let's see if they can close the 3 minute above the blocks. If they can do that, I'm satisfied. Very simply re-achieve low here, pump. But let's see if they do it. Still waiting for losing day. It's already 1 week with no losing day. Nice, man. Yeah. You'll see if you just follow your plan, right? Even if you get a loss sometimes, you have the conviction in it, you know it was a good trade. And you also will learn that even if you sometimes lose a trade and it was a stupid trade, you know, like, okay, I just need to make sure I don't do any stupid trades, and then that's good. For NOT, I'm looking for... This is a little bit of a too low of a time frame, so I'm looking for this one. This zone right now. Is there a way to use Quantor with trade evade on Apex? No. You will, like, I use top step for my Quantor. Okay. So, preferably have them hold this right now, but let's see. Else we might get a little bit more of a down movement. I'm quite interested right now in looking for longs on this one. Look how many people got wrecked right here, but then again... Alright. But then again, I am not really sure in order flow how respected it will be, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. Still not achieving the level I wanted them to achieve though, so rejecting it right now. So a possibility is if we can stay above this one right now for another 3 minutes, we might go up. Right now, I think you guys can see it, right? So what I'm looking for right now is very simple. You see how many people got stopped out or market smashed short, kinda wanna get above it. Now, I still want the 3 minutes to start holding this zone. So I'm waiting for that right now. But I'm happy with what they're doing already, so. Then ton, yeah, just gonna stay in this long. Still have 60% left. 2 PTs were taken. If they keep on pushing it down, we'll probably go for the higher low play. Let's remove this one. It's PT zone right now. Ooh, ton's going. Loads of aggressive shorters here. So want them to make a new low and then I'll see if I want to take a trade. Loads of buy coming in now. New low would be cleaner in my opinion, so let's say. Okay, so the ton trade was just quite easy. So we just moved up, achieved origin. So all I was looking for is a higher low play. Alright. There. That's it. Achieve. Look for the squeeze, but since you achieved it, you don't expect them to sweep it. So there you go. So not quite easily. Needs to attempt and achieve this. Let's remove that. This box is irrelevant now. So if they can achieve this one, sure, they might go up. If they don't, I'm still looking for a new low. First level achieved. Let's see if they can push this through. Let me quickly check the order flow. Would want to go quite big on this. And then in ton, it's basically higher time frame trend was saying up, so I just aggressively took the first long that we were provided. So you have origin to the downside achieved. If it achieves, you're looking for higher. Alright. If you just sweep it, you're looking for a sweep to the bottom side. If you don't sweep it, you're not looking for a sweep. Now the stop loss was a bit wider than this, right? It was 0.2. So for this one, I kind of want to see them accumulate here a little bit or distribute, like get more shorters, more shorters, more shorters. And I want them to come here. Would be my ideal scenario. Do they have to do it? No, but let's see. Took one trade, now I'm waiting. If they achieved here, I might have taken a long here already, but... So as I said, need to achieve this range now. If they don't achieve it, looking for that new low. Patience is key. You always have safer plays indeed, because now, of course, if your environment, your higher time frame environment is good, then it's no problem, right? And in my opinion, the higher time frame environment where we are right now is good. So, yeah. Like, in my opinion, I can also say, like, oh, yeah, this zone right now, you can look for a short there, a PT here, you know, all that kind of stuff. Like, I can tell you guys where there might be a possible short or there might be a possible long, etc. Like here and there and there. But I only talk about the ones I take, not the ones I see. I can see a lot more trades as well, but it's not something I would take on crypto. If it was in Q, sure. Ton is still good. Almost 30 PT. We'll be taking out half, so 30% there. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if they just flew it through here, then buy it back up, and then hold the range and then go up. But anyway, I promised you guys I would do some scalps, so just scalping it, loving the volatility. So the actual enter was 0.212940, 2194. PT's already in. So here, stop loss to break even, don't really care about it anymore. I might need to market smash some PT here. Forgot the 4 RPT we're in scalping. This was a limit. This was a limit. Everything's just internal. I kind of want them to still make a new low. Smash it based on order flow, no. So so the only thing I use order flow for is to check, okay, what's the market doing? Are they buying? Are they selling? Are they aggressively buying into support? All that kind of stuff. I'll take another PT here. Let me put it in. Let me just market smash it here. Up 1.5% currently net, so not unrealized with it. This one, so many people go wrecked. Look at this. It's like, whoo, damn, baby. The amount of, like, this is not, in my opinion, it's not short. It's just longs getting stopped out. Accumulating, but I still want to see a little bit of blood. Kind of want to see if they make a new low, how many of these people will still hold. If not that much people hold, like if we come back down to here, I'm very interested in longs. I don't trust them just pumping, right? I still believe we'll get a new low. What do you see? What do you notice? Price stays the same. We're accumulating. No one is flinching an eye when we're going down. So it's just one fucking big guy that's saying, you know what, I'm gonna accumulate. I know where I want to accumulate my biggest portion. I'm selling it back down because you gotta remember, in fucking crypto, the guy knows, oh, there's nobody else playing, or there's nobody with this size playing, so I can just ping it around, up, down, whatever I want. He doesn't play with a stop. He does not play with a stop. Well, he probably has a hard stop because he's just accumulating, making it go down again, accumulate more, pushing it back up to accumulate more, and now soon the final dump will come. Then we'll try to go up. That's what I guess. Now, it's just a calculated guess, okay? Now, if it just dumps through, then it dumps through, you know. Let's see. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at it. Now, what you want is... Give me 1 second. And what do you see now, right? They can push it through, or they can try to attempt to hold it. Look at this. We're going new low, new low, new low. What you want to see here is them buy more than sell. So even if price goes down, it doesn't matter. Pump it up. Well played. Thank you, lads. Thank you. You know, and I'm not a market maker, you know. Let them do the hard work. You just play whatever, you know. Yeah, I got the trade. I'll show you the trade. No, give me a second. 20 seconds left. Want to hold. If they don't hold, I'm out. But in my opinion, the main priority now should be accumulate a little bit longer and go up. It's a very good range to look for longs now. So we'll be looking for re-ads if they give me what I want, but right now I don't see anything that they will give me until they prove me otherwise, until I get stopped. So what you guys have to understand as well, if you take a limit limit into the smash. It should never be your full size. Never. Oh, by the way, guys, look at this beauty going. Oh, man. We're on fire today in crypto, man. Let's go. You see the Skoller dude is not shitting around when he says he's in a trade. Tell me someone else that does this shit. If you want to learn everything, if you want to grow better, if you want to understand why the market does what, then you're going to make it. If you just want to make a quick buck because you think, oh, it's trading, right? It's going to be easy. I want to go to the Caribbean and, you know, trade via my phone and make 10K a day. Yeah. Then you're wrong. For the people trading Bitcoin, man, who are you? What makes you trade it? It's pathetic. Like Ton and Not, I'll be honest, price action was good on these babies, man. I'll be honest. Do yourself a favor and just trade those. Same thing here with Not, right? You saw them, you know, accumulate. They didn't do jack shit, right? And because they didn't do jack shit, you know the new low was coming. Because this was in the end of the sequence that that you see here. Right. Smash. AKA the market is expressing multiple concurrent algo strategies. Yes. Now I have 3 such sequencing systems, right? The thing is, they align quite good. So the better they align, the better they will work. All right. So what I'm doing now, and this is quite complex, you will always get a zone, right? And where you have, for example, here you had the 4618, and then you have like a 2 here as well, and then another system on the higher time frame is here as well. Actually, this is a fucking great example, right? Because, well, yeah, the higher time frame was there as well, right? So you will see eventually all of these lines will come together in a box. So what I'm doing now is I'm printing the outer zone of the box, the lower zone of the box, and every invalidation of the box, and I put my stop below the lowest invalidation. But now, of course, it's easy to represent it on the chart, but now try to put it into code. That's what I'm doing right now. And that's why my trading, that's why I always tell you guys, okay, I take PT earlier and this and that. I'm not happy with what I'm seeing because I coded an algorithm. I know what I want to see before it actually does what it wants to do. This is no F2F. This is no F2F. Yeah, so we can see a little bit of resistance here on Ton, I'll be honest. Look, in my opinion, market makers, the only thing market makers do is they make sure the sequences do whatever they want to do. Because the sequences are the big volume. They're the stupid money that brings price from A to B. Alright. So, 4, hold the 2, 4 times 2 is 8. Did you see that? This can't be true. Now, don't get me wrong. Right now, it looks like, right? It looks like if I just know the right sequence, I am gonna be rich. It's not like that. You need to know what your higher time frame states are. You need to know in which higher time frame origin states you are. You need to know in which blocks you are, and then you know, okay, now I can do these and these and these pools, right? And for that reason, I never teach sequences to people that have not passed examinations based on price action. Because you know what they'll do? They'll pull left, they'll pull right, they do this, they do that, and they'll just lose money. And that's why I don't even mind showing sequences on stream. But as I tell you, as I warn you, don't try this at home, baby. Because this is purely created to work with my system, right? So just be very careful when you try that. I actually like these. I'm really starting to dig these cryptos, man. Looking for some other pairs to trade at a moment. Maybe not will try. Okay, they will try again. So let's see, new low and try again. Let me show you guys the order flow because I think this might be good again. Let's see. It's crypto, man. The stop losses are all here. Let's see. Let's see how they react here. Might smash. Let's wait a bit. They're at a decent zone right now, guys. Selling into support. I still want to see a little bit more blood, to be honest. Let's see if they can absorb it or not. No absorption yet. Longs need to get stopped out again. Simplistic. We'll confirm the long in 2 minutes, other than that, waiting. So what do you see on this chart right now? There's someone pushing it down from here, but keep on accumulating. So they might fail or they might succeed. In my opinion, it will depend on a 3-minute close, let's say. Now I want to see the fucking delta move, man. It's either gonna delta or it's either gonna crash. Let's see. Let's see what they do. Let me quickly make a decision. Look, delta moves depend on your price action, right? So what I mean with that is, it just depends. When do you see it's a AAA setup? When do you not see it's a AAA setup? Right now it's not a AAA setup yet. We're still working on that AAA setup. Now what do they need to do? They need to get above the previous move to the high. But indeed, like, you would want to get now you want to get the extra fill. So the 20% has to come in now with market buys. So if the 20% comes in with market buys right now, then they're succeeding. If it fails, it fails. But here, in this case, the order flow is telling me we're gonna go. So I'm not sold on it yet.
So how many trades did we do? We did like 4 trades a day, 0 losses. We on point.
Okay, looks for the achievement.
Boys, this is your Captain Skoller speaking. Are we ready for a big pump? Because I'm feeling it. I feel it. We will be starting to pump in 1 minute. Please fasten your seatbelts.
Well, we'll have to see if they can achieve, okay? If they achieve it, we'll pump. If they don't, then be careful. Also, if you're not in a trade yet, guys, don't follow me. That's why I don't tell you guys when I enter. I don't want to be a signal trader, okay? Anyway, boys. Nicely done. I don't know who did the accumulation, but you're a real G, man. So I took PT there. Would you refill here? No, not yet. Okay, boys, we need to find a new position on Ton. Well, was good. 3 PTs in. I don't think the MM put in so much work to then just say fuck this. So it's still crypto, man. If you can just follow the MM, easy. Ton USDT. I only have 40% out, 2020. Now, in this case of scenario, it's very easy. You know, you can just put your stop loss there again, right? That's what I did immediately. Because you need to go, right? Now stop loss is just break even, man. Like, think about it. Do you want price to still come here? No. Now you want it to hold higher range and go. No, never partial stop losses. Just move it below there. Now it's break even, so it's not gonna lose any money on this trade. It's just a free trade right now. Nearing PT zone, guys. Yeah, there's not much to do. Might call it a quit soon. I think today's session really was good. You're right, like, you have an algo, and this algo is waiting for A to happen, then waits for B to happen. They both happened. Then C will be your delta. Indeed. It's to tell the algo, oh yeah, we've bottomed out. Now this is the target, and this was the target of the move. That's why I took my biggest PT there. That's the ending target. So I took it around here. Nah, PTs are just sequence. And what's the next level they need? What's the next step in the system? What do they need to achieve? Very often, if they need to achieve something, it's a good PT as well. Yeah, of course, if it works, just follow your system, right? That's what I mean. There are so many different kind of systems that can play out. But okay, boys, I think I'm gonna call it a day.
Like the trades from today, beautiful. Started off with the ton trade, and then we just made sure to catch the whole accumulation and NOT. Okay, anyway, boys, thank you very much, and I will see you probably next week. Take care, bye-bye.